Each year, PTEN celebrates new and innovative products for shops and technicians with its Innovation Awards. The LTI Tools Shockit Diesel NOx and Particulate Sensor Removal Kit by Milton Industries is one of this year's highest scoring winners. The tool uses the force and vibration of an air hammer to loosen and remove rusted diesel exhaust sensors without damaging the threads. Here to tell us more about the removal kit is Jeff Del Rossa, General Manager of the Specialty Tool Group for Milton Industries. Thanks so much for being here today.
Sure. Thanks for letting me join in, Emily. Good to see you.
Nice to see you too. So can you tell me what makes this product so innovative?
Yeah, there's really a number of different reasons, and I'll focus on the top three, Emily. Number one, we focus on all about productivity. That's what it's about. There's fewer technicians out in the market today, and there's a longer line of customers want to get their cars or trucks serviced. So when we focus on productivity, it's how do we get the technician to be more productive and more efficient in repairing these products or making these repairs. So that's what the 996 does. What we focus on is three primary things. Number one, we really, really want to have versatility. When a technician invests in a tool, is it just one application it can do, or can it do multiple applications? What I love about the 996 is, yeah, it's a particular NOx sensor, but what it can do is remove basically any 22 or 24 or 30 millimeter nut or bolt. Because it incorporates a lot of the technology that we use in Shockit. And I'll talk about that in a couple of seconds. The other thing it does is it has harmonic vibration. Any technician knows that when you have a stubborn fastener, if you hit it with a hammer or you shock it with one of the technologies from LTI, we can help remove that fastener. Just recently, I was changing oil in a transfer case on a 4x4 Ford pickup, and the plugs that drain the oil are a 8 millimeter hex, male-female hex, and I used a 3/8 socket, long ratchet, and I couldn't remove it at all. It was stubborn, and my chances of breaking off that hex inside that plug were very, very high. I whacked it with a hammer, and it loosened up, and I was able to torque it loose. The beauty of that is shocking technology is important, and a lot of technicians know how to do that. That's what's important with this technology. We use that shocking type approach and harmonic vibration to break tough fasteners loose. Whether it's a nut, a bolt, or a particulate or NOx sensor, that's what it's about. So that's the second reason. The other thing is reach. Today, engine compartments are smaller. They're more efficient. They're more compact. And technicians getting under these areas, whether it's a transmission, whether it's a hydraulic line, in case of our other products, whether it's a NOx or particular sensor, it's buried underneath some other component in the engine. So with the capability of getting at it with our kit and the punch that comes with the kit is ideal. So those are three things that are primarily top of mind that caused us to develop this, which I believe is the most innovative in the market.
What would you say has been the feedback from technicians who've purchased this tool?
Oh, fantastic. The fact that it helps them speed their job and get the repairs out quicker, the jobs, moving product through their engine bays, it's just been fantastic. What they really, really like is, again, as I said, the versatility of the product, being able to use it not just on particular NOx sensors, but anywhere where they have limited access or reach is a problem, reaching a fastener, tough fastener, or just getting it loose. That's what Shockit is all about. And we employ that technology in many, many of the products that we have from LTI. Really, really powerful to use, shocking capability along with harmonic vibration to remove tough fasteners. One other thing that's really, really evident in the construction of the Shockit LT996 product is it's heavy duty, it's cast, machine, precision. And because it's slotted, they can slip it over a hydraulic line, they can slip it over a NOx particulate or a particular sensor. The versatility is really unmatched. In combination with the vibration that we can create with the air hammer and the punch that's articulated, all those components combined make a very, very powerful repair system for limited access areas, tough to remove fasteners, particulates or NOx sensors they can't get to or they can't remove or can't reach. All those things are solved with the 996D.
Awesome. So is there anything else that our readers should know about this product?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of things to talk about. In the conversation, it's about adaptability. As I said earlier, versatility is a big thing when technicians invest in tools today. And when they invest it's like, in the old day, a hammer would go a long way. You can hit anything with a hammer, but when it comes down to some of these specialty tools, it really has a very finite application. What I love about the 996D is I can use it on any 22, 24, 30 millimeter fastener. If you look at Power Stroke, Cummins, Duramax, Jeep, Ram, many, many applications. All of them use those kind of particular sensors, NOx sensors. They're all prevalent in all cars, trucks, even heavy duty industrial applications and construction equipment. These things are prevalent in our market today, and they all need to be repaired. Simply taking a fastener off has become a big deal because you can't reach it. With the type of technology we've come up with Shockit, not only can we reach it with the accessibility of how these things are managed, the vibration combined with the air hammer can free up just about anything. The other thing I love about this tool and the feedback we've gotten is that not only will remove a sender out of a bung, for example, on an exhaust system, but they can also, if they find that the bung is not is the problem, they can actually rethread it. It comes with a chasing component of the back of the socket. They can chase the threads and clean up the bung so they can put it back in. If the sender is not faulty, they can clean up the threads on the sender by just rethreading or chasing the threads on the sender. In addition to removing it with the Shockit socket. So the versatility and adaptability of the product is really, really right. We're getting great reviews and great feedback. It just works. It's one of those things that saves time, saves money, and helps technician. And it's a great investment. Low cost, high quality, and we warranty it for life.
That's fantastic. And
thank you.
Thank you so much for joining me today.
You're welcome, Emily. Great to see you, and thank you so much for the opportunity. Have a great day and a great weekend.
Of course. You too.